So this is kind of a tangulation. So I started with this shape in the center. And you can start with any shape really. And then I let some curved lines come out from there. And I didn't really know what I was going to do with it at this point. And this is usually how my lives are. I let whoever's in the live decide what we do. And so I brought all of these lines out, curving them. Now, when I begin tangling, I take a nice deep breath in. I exhale, letting anything go that I don't need right now, not focusing on any of the issues in my life, letting everything just fall away. And when I exhale, I bring my shoulders down away from my ears. I have appreciation and gratitude for the paper, the pen, the time that I'm allowing myself to do this. Now I'm going to come backwards from the point to the maybe mid center of the curved line behind it. And you can adjust this however you want. You could make it straight. There's so many different things you could do with this. And then once we do all the ones to the back, we're going to do the same thing to the front, only the line's going to be shorter because we're going to stop sooner. And what I decided to do in these, and I think this is what the followers had requested, was paradox. So paradox, in this case, what we're going to do is we're going to bring a line down from a corner, stop, start where we ended, go to the next line, start where we ended, but every time we draw the line out, we stop at the first line we come to. So we're going to start from here, go over, start everywhere you start where you end, and you stop at the first line you come to. And that's what's going to create your pattern. And so I'm going to let this go for all of this so you can take a moment, but you're going to bring a line. I like to bring it towards me so I can see it. And every time you start where you end and then let the line go to the first line that it comes to. And this is just very repetitive. This is what makes this meditative art. And when you really let all the things go from the day, the years, whatever it is that you really don't want to spend time thinking about anymore, when you let those things go, that's mindfulness because it means you're staying in the present moment. So breathe, enjoy this, take your time. I'll see you in a minute. So shading, you can add shading anywhere. I talk about this all the time. There's no light source in the Zentangle method. Do what makes you happy. I just put some graphite down, but then I spent hours on my own doing this. And I really enjoyed this. I weighted some of the paradox. I added some tethered lines. Now, this is a great time to make sure that you've subscribed. And remember, it's okay to go outside the lines. See you next time.